The stainless steel cooking grid on the Saffire rests down a few inches inside the grill, giving you real close access to the fire for real high temperature searing. But the Saffire is very versatile in that you can also use the cooking grid elevator. This little stainless steel bracket will hold the cooking grid right up at the top level of the grill, allowing very easy access to the food. I prefer the grid in this position because it allows you to get at your food very easily, and you can still maintain extremely high temperatures for searing, even up at the top level of the grill. Anytime you want to cook a larger piece of meat on the Saffire grill, or do smoking or cook ribs, something you're cooking for a long period of time that you don't want one side to get burned, we use the Saffire heat deflector. This ceramic deflector is placed right inside the grill, and this basically turns the Saffire grill into a smoker. Now we're cooking indirect. All we have to do is turn the temperature down to a low temperature and we're smoking. After you put that in, you can drop in your cooking grid elevator and put your cooking grid back in, and you're cooking right up at the top level here, indirect. So now we can cook for many hours without burning one side of our food, and this works great for poultry, roasts, ribs, and the like. Anytime you want to cook a long time, that's the way to do it. Saffire grill has an 18-inch cooking grid on it, which is a big area. You can get a lot of food on it, but when you really want to add some extra capacity, you can use the secondary cooking grid. Again, an all stainless steel cooking grid, drapes right on the grill here to be able to give you a lot of extra capacity. You can have 2 layers, quite a bit of room, so you can have 2 large pieces of meat for smoking, or 2 layers when you've got a lot of anything. And this really increases the capacity up to what would be equivalent to a large 27-inch long rectangular cooking area. So you get a lot of capacity on your grill. This is the cast iron grate that holds your charcoal. This grate has just the right size holes. It doesn't allow too much to fall through, yet they're large enough and there's enough of them that when you're ready to clean your ash, it can go through without having to work too hard at it. It's a good heavy duty, so it'll last a long time. The Saffire grill really shines as a smoker. Smoking is very popular, and when you're ready to smoke, you want to add wood chips. You can take your pick from many different kinds of wood chips. Typically, to put them in your grill, you can put them in when you're first starting the fire. By the time you're ready to cook, a lot of times they're burned up. If you want to add wood chips, a lot of time you have to either try to filter them in through the cooking grids or remove the cooking grid. So the Saffire grill has a patent-pending smoke and chip feeder that makes this whole process a lot easier. It includes a little channel and feeder tool, and all we have to do is grab your favorite wood chips, put them in the tray, feed them right into your grill. So our wood chips are in, it's easy, it's safe, and our food is getting the smoke flavor without even opening the grill. The Saffire grill line is unique in that it has so many beautiful different options. You can see the grill here available in the onyx black color, also available in the jasper red that you've seen earlier. This particular grill is shown in the acacia wood cart, a beautiful wood with a lot of character to it. Also available is a teak cart and also maple. These carts come with a pre-oiled finish on them, so you're all ready to go for any type of climate. One of the nice features about the Saffire grill is it's available as a built-in model to put into a cart or your own enclosure. When you do this, we provide a stainless steel heat deflector plate and also a ceramic feet. And these little feet are contoured to fit the plate, and you can actually use the plate as a little template for your feet placement. And this is just placed right down underneath the grill, and this knocks down the radiant heat off the bottom of the grill to keep your installation very safe. This is the beautiful granite option that's available for all Saffire carts. The granite's available in several different colors. This particular one is a lighter. You can also have a darker color to fit just about any decor you'd want. So the Saffire grill on the Granite cart is something that can really enhance your whole backyard experience and appearance.